In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your tax bracket. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in TurboTax to see the taxable income that determines your bracket and how your filing status affects it. First, gather your income information. Pull together your W-2s, any 1099-S, self-employment records, and investment income documents. You'll use these to enter your income accurately. Remember, your tax bracket is based on taxable income, not just the total you earned, so having everything in one place will make the process smoother and more precise. Open TurboTax on your computer or launch TurboTax online in your browser, then sign in. From your tax home, either open your current return or start a new one if you haven't begun. If you still need to access TurboTax, use the link in the description to get started, then come back to follow along. Now go to Federal, then Wages and Income. Enter each income source exactly as it appears on your forms. Include wages from W-2s, any 1099 income such as interest, dividends, contract work, or investment sales, and your self-employment earnings. Double-check entries for accuracy. Tiny typos here can shift your taxable income and change your bracket. Next, head to Deductions and Credits. This is where your taxable income really takes shape. Work through the questions to claim the standard deduction or itemize if that gives you a better result, and enter any credits you qualify for. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce your tax, so be thorough. After you've entered income, deductions, and credits, review your tax summary. Locate your taxable income. This is the key number used to determine your federal tax bracket. It's your income after deductions, not your gross pay. Keep in mind that your bracket indicates the marginal tax rate on your last dollar of taxable income, not your overall average rate. Check your filing status and make sure it's correct. Single, married, filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. Bracket thresholds vary by status, so accuracy here is essential. If you're curious how TurboTax calculated everything, open the tax calculation details within your return. You'll see how the software arrived at your federal income tax based on your taxable income and filing status, which can help you understand the numbers behind your bracket. When you're satisfied, continue through the remaining review and filing steps. That's it. Your tax bracket is identified, and you're ready to finish your return. Thanks for watching.